I've had this MSI 4K 32-inch creator monitor for about a year now, and I really like it. It's nice and big, the resolution is great, the color accuracy is good. So why am I making this video? That's because this has one big problem. It's 60 Hertz. Hi, I'm Justin for Random Tech Videos, and before I get into this video, please consider subscribing to this channel if you think tech content is interesting to you. And you can also like the video if you think it's going to be helpful. Or if you just don't like my annoying personality, feel free to dislike, I don't care. But that's besides the point. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this Viewsonic XG320U 4K 150Hz 32-inch monitor. This should be good for gaming as well as video editing because it should have the same color accuracy of my previous monitor at 99% sRGB and 99% Adobe RGB. Which basically is like 94 to 95% DCI-P3. Enough rambling on though, let's just get into it. Okay, here's the monitor stand it looks like. And here's the other part of the monitor stand right here. Here's the cables and wires. I'm about to remove this packaging and see the monitor. Here we go. Actually, I don't know how to do this. I guess I'll just rip it. As expected on a somewhat premium monitor, the build quality so far feels decent. That just snaps into place as it should. And now all I need to do is put the bottom of the stand on. It's finally time to lift the monitor out of the box. First impressions, it looks very nice. It has a little bit more bezel than I was expecting, but that's not really a big deal. Now all I need to do is replace the old monitor on my desk with this one and see what it looks like. I'm now about to turn this monitor on for the very first time, and you'll be seeing it at the same time that I see it. Let me just hope that it works. Okay, it's turning on, but I'm not getting any signal. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, first impressions, the OSD is very bad, but the monitor looks vibrant so far, but I can't even find out how to adjust the brightness. I'm literally just trying to find the brightness. Seriously, where is the brightness control? Okay, wow, that is buried. Okay, finally I'm turning up the brightness. The monitor is working. I clearly need to play around with some settings. I'll get back to you once I'm done doing that. Okay, so you want my honest opinion? After playing around with the OSD for a while, it took so long I had to find some buried setting under like 5 sub-menus where I could turn off the power saving mode, which finally got this to be reasonably bright, just barely bright enough so that I can use it. Sure, it's a nice monitor as far as refresh rate. I mean, 4K 144 Hertz, able to be overclocked to 150 Hertz. I really cannot believe just how long I waited to get a high refresh rate display and was on 60 Hertz for so long. It is just so much better. However, the OSD is horrible, it's clunky, it's blurry, it's hard to use. I don't know if you want me to do a full review on this. Let me know in the comments. So overall, very mixed impressions. I like the price, I like the size, I like the clarity on the screen. It's decently vibrant color. I'll have to be careful in video editing because it's not like professionally tuned like my own monitor was. So again, mixed impressions overall. I don't know yet whether I'll keep it or not. I'm hoping I can because other monitors cost well more than this did, which I managed to get for just $1,069 including tax. But anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave it a like and please let me know what your thoughts are regarding this monitor. And I'm sorry that this one was less professional, but since this was a unboxing and first impression, it's not going to be as professional as a scripted review. But anyway, until my next video, thank you for watching and goodbye.